UK house price trends 2025, stability or slowdown. The UK housing market has long been a barometer for the nation's economic health. From the 2008 financial crash to the COVID-19 recovery years, house prices have experienced dramatic fluctuations. Now, in 2025, new data suggests a cautious return to stability but with clear signs of a potential slowdown ahead. Modest growth in 2025. According to recent figures from the UK House Price Index, the average property price reached £170,867 in Q1 2025, marking a year-on-year YoY growth of 3.86%. While this growth reflects resilience, it remains slightly below the record high of Q3 2022 when prices hit £273,135. On a regional level, Northwest England led the way with a 5.9% annual increase, whereas London, traditionally the most expensive market, showed only a 1.9% rise. With an average price of £529,369, London properties remain out of reach for many first-time buyers despite slowing growth. Monthly fluctuations show fragility. Monthly data paints a mixed picture. The Nationwide Building Society reported a 0.5% monthly increase in May 2025 and 3.5% YoY growth, but June saw a 0.8% drop, the largest monthly decline since November. These variations suggest that while the market is no longer in free fall, it's far from fully stable. Mortgage market insights: the volume of outstanding mortgage lending increased by 2.6% year-on-year, totaling £1.66 trillion in Q1 2025. This steady credit expansion reflects growing bear confidence supported by slightly reduced interest rates. However, affordability remains a major issue, particularly in the south of England. Historical perspective: after the 2008 crash, the market took years to recover. Then came the pandemic, which surprisingly boosted demand, driven by government subsidies and the race for space. By 2021 to 2022, UK housing saw record high growth rates, but since 2023, that momentum has slowed. The 2024 mini-recession and high inflation led to market stagnation. Now in 2025, we see modest but fragile recovery. Is the market at a turning point? Experts are divided. Some believe that the worst is over and 2025 marks the start of a stable phase. Others warn that rising unemployment, persistent inflation, and political uncertainty could trigger another market correction. With affordability stretched, especially among younger buyers, the current recovery may be more statistical than sustainable. The government's stance on housing supply, interest rates, and tax incentives will play a major role in shaping the next phase. Conclusion: the UK housing market in 2025 shows signs of cautious optimism. While price growth continues, it's modest and uneven. Regional disparities are widening, and monthly volatility remains a concern. Investors and homeowners alike should approach with a balanced view. The market isn't booming, but it isn't collapsing either.